my name is Shreja.
And my name is Shiten.
So I'm going to read out the questions. And this is like an impromptu. I have not told him the questions. And I also don't know.
Let's
So,
see
yeah.
what they are all about.
Name few similarities in both of you. Food.
Yes.
We
food
love
is-
food.
Yeah, we love food.
Um,
What is that?
What else?
What else? A choice of
Do we have similarities?
yeah.
We like traveling.
Yeah, we like to travel.
Yeah. We like vacations and
We
travel.
both are enthusiastic. Yeah, that's a similarity. We tend to have a lot of
We are conversationalists.
yeah,
Yeah, we like talking.
talking a lot.
Very social.
Yeah, we're social butterflies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else? Do you have any more?
I don't know.
Okay, should we
Where,
go?
yeah, should we get to the we should get to the next question.
Tell us about your love story, how it started, and how did you guys end up landing together?
Well, she's actually my sister's friend. She was in a junior college, and
Can I continue?
yeah, definitely you should. You should take it from it.
So we went to Goa also together.
Yeah, that was on
His sister and I,
Yeah.
we were in junior college together, 11th and 12th. We studied in Ruparel, and his sister became my really good friend. And we went we used to meet up, like we used to meet at her place. And
Yeah.
I just knew him. He just had begun his weight gain and that fitness journey that he's into. And he was eating all correct, and I was like admiring him, but we never had this. We never liked each other in that.
We never
that
had
way.
that connection at that time.
We never tried building any connection. We went to Goa together, but still we did not talk much.
Yeah.
We were sitting right beside each
Beside
other.
each other, but then there
But
was
and
no
we were-
chemistry.
There was no chemistry. We were discussing about calories and diet
Yeah,
and
no.
stuff like that. 12 hours of journey we have done together, but we never
Yeah.
thought of each other, as in like for dating and stuff like that. But last year during lockdown,
Sparks went.
we started talking a lot.
Yeah.
He used to call me.
Oh my God, that's not true. I mean, like,
Did I ever call you
No.
by myself?
Give me a sec. Like, you used to not, of course, not call me, but
You were
then,
boring, JD.
okay, you can't say that I'm boring. It was all like, she was just like, how can I just express it like
Okay, I'll only tell them.
yeah, definitely. Like she used to message me and she used to be like, we are good friends, we can talk. And I was
Yeah,
like,
that's
okay.
because I have to maintain this
And I used to
relationship
be like,
with you.
yeah, and I used to be like, ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं भाई? I mean, like, good friends ठीक है फिर.
So we've gone to Goa and we are still not good friends, like.
Yeah, of course we were good friends, but you don't need to mention that tag all the time, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, so he invited me for his birthday. After like we started having conversations over
Yeah.
phone call, and I used to find him very boring for some reason. But we went out on his birthday. Like we went to his Karjatwala farmhouse, and we hung out a couple of times. And then I sort of thought that he's a really nice person, and I think. And yeah, he had changed, his personality had changed completely. When I'd seen him for the first time, he was like a fat, he had this long beard and he was a fat Santa Claus basically. Yeah, but then I like him.
Yeah.
I love him. So, yeah. So then we kind of, like,
Yeah.
we started liking each other.
We
and
kind
then-
of started gelling up with each other. We
Yeah.
started knowing each other at that phase, and that was the most crucial phase.
Yeah.
And it just like the
It
sparks.
clicked, it
Yeah, it
clicked.
just clicked.
Yeah. And
just
it's
clicked.
been 1 year, 2 months, 3 months.
Yeah, 1
1
year,
year.
3 months.
I mean, we don't have a anniversary day actually.
Because
we
it's-
didn't We really didn't propose
each
each
other.
other.
It
Yeah.
just happened that I'm here into the relationship phase, and it's just
It just happened.
It just happened.
Okay, next question. What is the one physical change you would want in your boyfriend or girlfriend? Any changes? Yeah,
You
please.
first.
What do I say? I wish you were a little bit taller.
Okay.
Little taller.
Okay.
But no, he's very nice, he's kind, he's the most amazing person I've ever met. He understands me so much, and we are quite compatible. He's got a lot of patience, and now you can tell about me.
Yeah. So coming towards me, so I personally don't want any physical changes in her. But if you ask me about a psychological changes or something like that, then I would say she should definitely have. I would definitely like her to have some patience in life and some strategy towards everything. And
See,
proper.
opposites attract.
Yeah, opposites do attract. That's the we are the proof. Right? So yeah.
Anything else?
And one more thing would be like I want her decisions to be proper in life because her decision making skill is not at all good.
You are
Trust
there
me.
to help me, no?
Yeah, I'm there to help you always. But still, I just want her to be a little independent and
I am independent.
yes,
Quite independent.
quite independent, but not in the way I want.
Okay. Okay.
In
Okay.
decision
Maybe I should
making, yeah,
improve myself.
yeah, the decision making.
Who is the dominant one?
Of course.
Of course, me. I dominate him so much. Oh, sorry, you have to go through so much because of me. But he loves
I
me a lot.
don't go through anything. It's just the good phase of my life that's going on. And
He likes that. I mean, probably he likes toxicity.
no, that's
Yeah.
not true. This is not toxicity. This is just her
Being
way
there
of-
for each other.
Yeah. So I was telling you guys before about the psychological. This is the psychology I was talking about. She speaks anything.
Yeah, I am someone who would just. I don't think twice sometimes before speaking. So.
Yeah.
And he is so patient that he knows that it doesn't come out from my heart. It's
Yeah.
just me
Being.
not. It depends on the situation. Like
Yeah.
he knows that I'm in some.
Sometimes she
kind of
can be so
situation.
cranky that she would be like just I don't know who you are.
So because I'm into modeling, I am more cranky. Sometimes work problems happen. Sometimes I don't get paid on time or don't get paid enough. So all these things lead to my lashing out sometimes on him. But then he understands me so much. He has so much patience, and he makes sure that he makes me feel comfortable, and he'll talk to me through it. So and I think that is how it should be, ideally. Next question.
Yeah.
What is the one thing about your partner which really irritates you? Okay, you go first.
Okay, so it's me first, right? So the one thing that irritates me about Sreja is, of course, the way she yells after she's annoyed. That is so irritating. I'm like, why are you yelling? We can just talk it out in a proper tone, and you don't need to yell at someone who's speaking. We can just sit down, take a deep breath, and start it all over again, or just have a good talk. That's it.
Yeah.
But we
And
don't
yes.
need to, and yes, one more thing that irritates me about her is that whenever we are having a normal conversation and when a topic comes about discussing and having your opinions and views about anything that we both have, but she gets into the debatable phase and
I'm an
she-
Aries.
so what? You can't be. See, we are just talking about some issue, right? You can't be into the debatable phase, and you can't be debating. I'm just giving my opinion, my perspective over the things,
Okay, I got
and
it.
you are giving your perspective. That's it, and you should end that there only. You should not take it and be angry at me all the time because of it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Yeah.
Fine. What irritates me the most about him is probably sometimes he makes grammatical mistakes, and that just I just feel like stop it. I mean, the kind of maybe his surroundings must have probably influenced him. But it's okay. He is definitely improving. I have improved a lot, and you're speaking really well. So congratulations on that. What else irritates me the most about Eugene? Sometimes he wears really boring clothes. So I am the one
It's not
trying to
good,
change
so-
his fashion. This is my choice. So all thanks to me. He used to wear only black and white, and I'm like, listen, at least make some changes in your clothes. Wear some interesting colors. So all thanks to me. He's still wearing his white favorite, but a little bit,
A print of something.
yeah, but this looks nice, I feel.
Yeah.
And what else irritates me? Yeah, sometimes he lies a lot.
I don't lie at all.
Shouting.
When did I
He
lie?
lies to his friends and parents sometimes.
What do I lie about? Just specify it right now.
Yeah. For example, if he's
See,
He
I
comes
will
to-
also
wait,
do
no,
what
no,
do I
wait.
lie about.
If
I lie
he-
about coming anyway. I will just
Yeah.
be like, yeah, I'm just 10-15 minutes away and I'm there.
Yeah.
But I must be around like 30 minutes away somewhere. So that is the only lie. And that is of course, yeah, it is but obvious that you lie. That is
okay, of course it is his
basic.
personal choice, but then,
Yeah.
but then I just feel I'm an honest person, and honesty does not bring you in any trouble.
Yeah.
Like it kind
Of course, even I am
helps.
honest on all other things. So when
But
it
then
comes to traveling,
you should inform your parents where you are. If you're with me, you're at this place, they're not going to eat you. We are not kids anymore, we are adults. So
yeah,
I
that is
hope-
there, but
and
still,
they will understand it.
yeah.
It's okay. Yeah. What else irritates me? I think that's about it.
Yeah, I thought.
Yeah. Okay. Next question.
Oh wow.
Who is more expressive? I'm expressive.
Even
Very
I am, but then when it comes to social circle, maybe she's a little more expressive than me, but
I'm a little too extra, I feel.
might be. But ठीक है यार, I mean like everyone has their own thing, and we both are equally or somewhat
Yeah.
little up and down expressive, but we are expressive.
Yeah, both of us, we are good with our social
Social
circles.
circle, yeah, and we are expressive about our thoughts, about our
Yeah.
opinion in front of everyone, yeah.
No, not, I don't think in front of everyone.
Yeah, we are.
Like in some things, in some situations, you won't really care about that person. You won't really be honest about what you feel or what you think, or
Okay.
depending on the situation.
Yeah.
I am more expressive. I feel I'm more honest.
Okay.
This is what I feel.
Okay.
Okay. Who always gets late?
Of course, you know the answer.
I get late, guys. Really late.
सब
sometimes.
लड़कियों का यही प्रॉब्लम रुका के
अभी क्या है ना, हम लोग को आईलाइनर लगाने में बहुत टाइम
नहीं,
लगता
नहीं,
है.
नहीं.
Wait,
Now,
perfect.
guys, let
Listen,
me-
you know what? No,
let's-
we should make a YouTube video on this, JD.
Okay, fine. We will do
You
that
know
later.
how-
No, no, एक second. We
You
will
heard me.
see.
You hurt me.
No, I did not. Okay.
Your nail hurt me, JD.
Okay, fine.
हाँ,
So
anyway.
you saw the dominating nature right now.
So I should not be honest.
No, that's not true. Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Anyway.
kidding.
Next.
अरे
How
यार,
many-
to give some example. I
Yeah,
guess.
please go ahead.
So, how will I do? See, so there was once this time, and I just woke up and I was like, let's go and meet her. So I called her and I told her that I'm coming to meet you. So get ready and come downstairs and we can go somewhere out for lunch or kind of lunch, something, somewhat kind of. And all the way from Thane, I'm here. Below a building, and I just told her you must be ready, so get down. And this must be like around 1 hour before I told her, and she's getting ready. And after some time, after waiting for 10 minutes, 15 minutes downstairs, she's like, "Hey, can you come upstairs?" I'm like, "Okay, let's go upstairs." And then she's like, "Can you help me choose
What do I?
an outfit?" I'm like, "Okay," like she's still selecting the outfit. Then she will get ready. She will put on whatever she wants to put on.
Yeah,
And,
I take time to choose. I'm a very confused soul when it comes to choosing things. Like even best of best pictures, I'm gonna be like, I take like 2 hours to
Yeah.
decide should I choose this one or that one. So yeah, that's a part of my personality. So
Yeah.
probably in the future I will improvise on this. Yeah. Next. Okay. How many times does your girlfriend or husband fight with you in a week? Do we fight, Jamie?
Not fight, but
Argue.
we do have arguments. Yeah, we do have arguments, and we have arguments on daily basis. Trust me, guys. We have arguments over any silly thing like
Yeah, silly
the
things.
क्यों bottle इतना ही क्यों भरा भाई? इधर ही भरा. I mean like doesn't make any sense.
So
So
how
why
many
have I
times?
not
Every
trimmed my
day.
beard?
Every day.
उस पे भी arguments.
Yeah, I really want him to keep trimming his beard.
Yeah, and the other we have a lot. Seriously, we don't
Because
want to.
this guy looks very different without beard and with beard. It's just weird.
Oh, okay, fine.
We are
okay,
two
fine.
different personalities.
Okay.
So I need to be
Even
sure
they
that
get
I'm-
it. Let's not go there and move on.
Even I need to be sure that I'm in love with both of you.
Oh,
Okay, next. Describe love in one line. What is love for you?
Shreya.
That is too cheesy. Say
How
something
can
else.
you say that? That's
Just say something different. No.
Oh
Say
my
something
god,
different.
let me think about it. For love, for me, is then having a feeling of completeness. You can say, yeah. Having a feeling of like only feeling. Yeah.
I think that love.
Guys, I'm 100% sure. इसको जो बोलना था मैंने ही बोल दिया.
Yeah, actually. I just feel like you need to have feelings for someone if you're in love with that person. Feelings are very important.
Yeah, feelings are important, but that does come into the only feeling and all, I guess.
I don't know. I like toxicity as well, a little bit.
Okay.
Little bit.
Let's talk situation.
Not too much though.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, arrange according to importance, least to most important. Love, money, fame, success, kids, family.
Okay. So, Shreya, you go first.
Okay.
Then-
Family. Kids I'm not considering because I don't know how it feels to be a mother. Family. Love. Success. Fame, then money. Because if you are successful, money automatically follows. That is what I feel. Yeah.
Guys, for me, it would be definitely first thing that you mentioned. No expense with kids. So kids is the last option that I'm going to keep. The first one would definitely be family. Second would be success, and the third would be love, and then money and fame and so on. That's it.
I think we're done. Oh my god.
It was a good experience. Just because.
A good experience.
Yeah.
A good experience, really.
A good experience, yes.
Okay, thank you for giving us. Thank you for giving this opportunity for
Yeah.
us to speak. We also got to know a lot
Lot
what
of-
we feel
yeah.
about each other.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Until next
Who are
time.
these guys? These are the ones who want to judge us. Really.
This I feel this video is going to be going to a lot of people. Like a lot of people are going to see it. And the casting crew must be seeing it and then some like providing
Okay,
it. to
let's
the-
not think about all these things.
Yeah.
We can put this on YouTube as well.
Okay. Let's do it.
Bye.
Bye.